Like to call the next performer from the mentor side once again, and he is Mr. Sandeep. Please come on the podium, and you guys put your hands together for him.
A very good afternoon to all presented here. Firstly, I want to give a quote, which is said by the great scholar Swami Vivekananda. Arise, awake, and do not stop until you achieve your goal. And now I am going to tell you my introduction. First of all, I want to give my special thanks to my dearest sir who provided me this wonderful opportunity to speak in front of all of you. I am Sandeep Kumar. I live in Jilagaon. I belong to well-cultured and educated family. I have no special hobby. I like reading books and sometimes operate my mobile phone. And this is my strength that whenever I got any work, I do that work with my great devotion. And my weakness, it is considered that my weakness is that I am an emotional person. When I saw someone in a grief, then I help that one, be it economically or physically. And lastly, I want to tell you my goal. I want to be a good English teacher like my dearest sir. And I also want to do something like my dearest sir. As right now he is providing us to learn English spoken language freely. Thanks so much for listening me with a great patience. That's all. Thank you, Nagaraj.
He was Mr. Sandeep. He is also a good guy, and I always like him so much. And he always performed well. And after this performance, I would like to call the next candidate from the mentor side, and he is Mr. Mohammad Naeem Khan. Please come on the podium, and you guys put your hands together.
Listening is more important than speaking, because if you want to a good speaker, then it is very necessary for listening. Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon all of you. Today I am going to tell you my introduction. But before starting, first of all, I would like to give my special thanks to our dear sir who has given me this golden and wonderful chance to speak before wonderful people presented here. I am Naeem Khan. I am from Nasratpur. I belong to well-cultured and educated family. I have passed my intermediate and now I am doing my graduation. It's my final year. I did computer diploma CCC. My hobbies are listening music and reading new books, as well as watching motivational videos. I am punctual and devoted towards my work. I am very emotional person. I want to be a English teacher like sir, because whenever I see my dear sir, I get a lot of motivation. So this is the reason I want to be a teacher like my dear sir. With these words, I finish my concept here. That's it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Today I am very happy to tell you that he is now good, and in future definitely he will be English teacher, and I anyhow will make him a good teacher. So after his good introduction, I would like to call the next one from the boys side, Mr. Sohail, old student. Please, you guys put your hand for the applause of him.
First of all, Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon all of you. Firstly, I would like to give my special thanks to my dear sir and my mentors who gave me a special chance and wonderful opportunity to be before you. I am Sohail in front of you. I belong to Gosipur. I belong to well-cultured and educated family. I have passed my intermediate from Surajpur Shiksha Center College, and I am doing graduation from Chhatrapati Sahib Maharaj in Kanpur, as well as for a few months I have been preparing NEET. As we know that NEET is All India Pre-Medical Test, and I am doing English speaking from Ideal Universe run by Abad Ali sir. And I also did computer course CCC with A grade. I have no experience. My hobbies are watching the motivational videos in English, reading, traveling, and eating the biryani. And and I am punctual and devoted person, and I am emotional person, as well as I never give up. I wanna be a doctor, and as well as I want to share a quote. APJ Abdul Kalam says that every successful person has a painful story. Every painful story has a successful ending, and accept the pain and get ready for success. Accept the pain to get ready for success. With these words, I would like to finish my concept here. Thanks for listening me. Have a nice day.
Mr. Sohail, your confidence was good, each and everything was good, but still you are not pronouncing in a good manner. Your words are being pronounced somewhere in wrong way. So improve your pronunciation. This is the first and most important requirement to be improved. Okay? Okay, after this good performance, I would like to call the next mentor from the girl side, Miss Shagufta Fatima. Please come on the podium and you guys put your hand together for that.
You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will be change your future. Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to all of you. And now I'm going to tell you introduction. But before starting, I would like to give my special thanks to my dearest sir for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to speak a wonderful people presented here. I'm Shagufta in front of you, and I belong to Jarari. I belong to well-cultured and very educated family, as well as I have passed my intermediate and I'm pursuing my graduation. It is my second year. My hobbies are reading and teaching. I'm punctual towards my work. I'm an emotional person. When I see someone in trouble, my heart is crying. I want to be a lecturer like my sir because he is my ideal teacher. With these words, I wind up my talk here. That's it. Thanks for listening to me with a great patience. Have a fantastic day.
Your speech was fantastic, but you committed a mistake. You said that your heart is crying. It starts crying. You must have said, okay? Okay, after this good performance.